This is what a 900,000 US dollars can get you here in Uptown BGC. So this is a 1,350 square feet, 3-bedroom unit in Uptown Modern. Semi-furnished, included na yung cooktop, range hood, fridge, microwave, washer-dryer, 4 split-type aircon, and sanitary fixtures. It comes with maid's room, 2.5 baths, pet-friendly and complete with hotel-type amenities. Meron din high-speed elevators and e-vehicle parking and charging station. Very ideal for personal use, diba? Before I proceed, comment the word detail so I can send you all the information of this unit. You can secure this unit for as low as 87,000 pesos per month without down payment, pero merong annual lump sum. We also offer 15% discount for cash buyers. The location is very prime. Situated in the center of business and lifestyle here in the Philippines, which is the BGC. Stone throw away from international offices like Google, JP Morgan Chase, and American Express. It is also surrounded with restaurants, retail stores, prestigious schools, hospital, and malls. Malapit lang din sa NAIA or yung international airport here in Metro Manila. This is also perfect for long-term investment since meron mga future developments around the area such as Metro Manila Subway and SkyTrain Monorail. Siguradong tataas yung value by 2031 pag turnover ng units. Seasoned investors, expats, and even foreigners are welcome to invest. Just comment down below or send a direct message. See you on my next video. Salamat!